Pioneers, in this video, I'm going to share with you transfer Pi coins to another wallet, or if you wish to sell your Pi to a legit buyer, please watch this. As you can see, I have 17.82 Pi coins in my available balance, so let's begin. Just tap the pay or request button. Then, after that, click the manually add wallet address. Then just enter the how much Pi you want to send, and me, I'm at send 17. Then just copy here below the wallet address of your receiver. I advise to please double check the exact wallet address to avoid error in your transaction. Then after that, just click send. Tap the send button, and you are about to send 17 Pi. If that's correct, then just enter the confirm button.
Transfer successful. That's all. Thank you for watching.